Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. But before I get started, I would like to encourage each and everyone who have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when a police officer from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago stopped a motorist who was driving a motor vehicle. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if you think the police officer was abusing his power. You can also tell me if you think the motorist was wrong as well. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Can you tell me, sir, can you give me your badge number, sir, and your name? Can you give me your badge number and your name, sir?
Okay.
Can you tell me why you are pulling me over, sir? Because you made a bad drive and bypass all the traffic because you are a police officer?
Sir, I'd like to get your permit insurance, please.
Why, sir? Can you ask me? Can you tell me why?
Examine documents, please, sir.
For what purpose?
I have to examine it.
For what purpose? You decided to stop me because I put my horn at you because you wanted to go through all the traffic, right? Huh? I don't care, sir. I never do nothing wrong.
Yeah, here we
You're the one who ranking on me right now, we understand?
Yeah, here we go on this.
Not you. Because you're a police, you have a police light on a private vehicle and want to stop me because you cut into traffic. Why are you asking me for this, sir?
You want to give it to me, no problem. Good. I'm gonna put this on our system.
Go ahead, but you have to give me valid reason for why you have stopped me, sir. That doesn't... Are you on duty, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why you're driving a private vehicle?
This is a government vehicle. Alright?
Okay.
And we are travel officers. We are paid for that.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. So what is your emergency for passing through traffic, sir?
Sir, there is two ways. One is to go right, one is to go left.
Okay, I was going right, sir, so why you overtake me? I'm not charging you, I'm asking you why you stopped me. Because you stopped me because I pop you?
No problem. You're gonna get it, no worries.
Well, alright, sir.
No worries.
Go ahead.
No worries, you're gonna get it. I don't operate, sir. I'm very professional.
You're very what?
I'm very professional.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Now listen carefully now.
That's why you stopped me for no reason?
Listen.
No worries, sir. Let's remember that, eh? Hold on.
So that's why you stopped me for no reason, sir?
Here now, you go here. Cars go both ways here. I'm junction, right?
Right.
That can happen.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with that. Right?
Yeah, but you see the kind of drive you make, you're lucky I wasn't recording at that time.
Record all those. What you gonna do?
Well, I'm recording now, I can't see the drive you done make.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. You have to go on my system.
I don't care about your system, sir.
You got it, but
I never say nothing about that, but I want to make sure.
Sir. You see police officers?
Right, but what you stop me for, sir?
Right.
What law I break? What traffic law I break?
Yeah, how you are.
Did you have a roadblock? No, you're just driving on the road and you decide to stop me, right?
You are there on duty. You
How I shock your duty? How I shock your duty?
Name here, you still ask my name.
Right, I want you to state it.
You ask me that. We are travel officers, right?
Okay.
We are paid for those vehicles.
Okay.
By the government.
Okay.
To help people like you.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
When they don't have vehicles, we come and we help people like you.
Okay.
Right?
So what's your purpose for stopping me?
I want to see that.
Can you answer my question, sir? What is your purpose for stopping me today?
Again, I tell you again, I need to see that criminal insurance.
For what purpose are you stopping me? I was asking you. I will provide it, no? I have no problem providing it.
Behavior on the road.
For what? What my behavior?
No problem.
So your behavior cut into traffic is acceptable?
I'm gonna get the name on the
So
Behavior on the road.
you driving through traffic is acceptable?
No worries, don't worry now. We done, you know.
Alright.
I get everything whatever it is.
Well, alright, no problem. I don't care who you're calling, sir.
Right, you don't care. That's
I don't
right.
care, no problem.
You don't care, but I care, sir.
Well, okay.
Well,
if you give me probable cause for why you stop me,
you don't want to give it to me?
you have to give me a probable cause.
Don't read the laws. Any officer in police uniform could request your driver's license insurance.
Okay.
If you fail to do it, you're going to be charged.
I tell you, I provide the favor, but you ain't give me a reason for why you stop me. I was asking you.
I done with that, sir. I done with that.
Well, okay, well, you're done. Well, no problem, go your way. Alright, sir. Have a good day.
What's that talking? Go your way.
Have a good day.
You guys very country like this.
Well, okay.
What's your attitude?
Well, what are you wasting my time doing?
I didn't chat in that car.
Because you that police officer, you decide to stop me and check my insurance, eh?
Yes, I can do that.
Okay, no problem.
right?
People.
I can do that. I'm on duty when you leave home.
Okay.
Right? But don't worry about it. I don't say it.
Alright, no problem.
Right?
No
I will
problem.
take my job on me.
Well, so, you know, I don't say me I ask much, but I mean, can I just detail it out to the person and, you know, give him a full understanding as to why him stop. Then, you see me I say? Just detail it out. You see me? Just,
Listen, what we do in this country, I'm looking at start to appreciate it. Alright? And if people like you give us the problems on the road, right? And that we have so much of problem on the road.
Me?
Hello?
Not people like me, right?
I know, I don't understand why make them move that way to people. You see me I say? You know, why me? Like for real.
No, not yet. But after that, I blew up the motor car.
Well, and listen this part and all the people. I want to listen carefully. Look like, listen. Look what I go and listen.
4832.
See?
Right? You call that the government in the system. I will call that.
Listen. Listen.
Alright?
Listen.
Just record that from that place there.
Listen.
I will call South Control about that. Alright? Heavily tinted.
Watch how you lying now, sir. Watch how you lying. I have no things on my car. I tell you how you lying. Watch. You see you're trying to find thing now. You see how the police is? You're trying to just find something. You're just trying to find something, sir. You see what I'm doing? You see what you're doing? And you're telling me I have the problem with the country, right? You can put away whatever you want. You see how corrupt it is? You're looking for something to charge me because you know you have no probable cause to stop me. You're just abusing your power, sir. That's what's going on here. You see I have zero tint on my car to tell you how it is. Watch, clear glass. Clear glass. That's the glass. That's the color of the glass come with the car. To tell you how you're looking for something, you know what to do. You're just abusing your power. You could take all the pictures you want because I know my capture mark. You understand? That's your shadow, that's shadow bird, they're not tint. Go ahead, see how far you reach. That don't mean nothing, you don't feel afraid of your life.
My people, you see and hear some things in that video, eh? Me I tell you, my people, me I tell you. You tell me what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. You tell me what you think. Do you think the police officer was abusing his power? Or do you think that the motorist was in the wrong? You tell me what you think. You see, because in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, see, I think that the police officer should have gave the motorist a proper explanation as to why him stopped the motorist when the motorist asked him. Especially if he's going to ask the motorist for his documents. Yes, so me as a viewer and subscribers. Anyways, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know who I think was wrong. You understand? Yeah, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened after citizens from within a country that is located somewhere out there in the world caught a vendor washing fruits in wastewater in a trench. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to where within the world the video will be recorded. I don't have any information as to what type or types of fruits the person was washing in the wastewater. And in my point of view, what the person had done is definitely not clean. That's bad for people's health. You see me as a viewers and subscribers? But anyways, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. And I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows a person standing in wastewater that's in a trench. And the person was also removing fruits from the wastewater that's in the trench, viewers and subscribers. Alright? The video also shows a certain amount of persons standing and looking at the person and also saying certain things. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Look on the water, my people. Look on the water, what the man washed. fruits in. Yeah? Sometimes I have to think and wonder certain things when we see certain videos on social media.
Government is wicked, government is dark, government is... You can see what is the earth
exactly. You should eradicate this, honestly.
For anybody that consumes this.
Honestly.
You can see this is a potential death. This is a death.
Oh no.
But when you start to read them and
shit wickedness.
Government is wicked, government is sensitive, government is sensitive.
It's a lie, still inside. Bro,
you can see.
I want that in my hand. I want it in my hand.
This is meant for people's consumption. There's no how you can go to a store.
Yo, that is
Go take your time.
said this coronavirus.
Please, let's maintain some space, please. Okay. Hello.
My people, me have to wonder if I think that man then I think, or if I heartless him heartless. How can somebody do something like that? If you know say you're gonna sell people fruits and I do something like that? No sir, no. No man. John, know my people. I tell you, say, Anyways, my people, let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some things about a thing that some persons might call a pressure cooker vent weight or a pressure cooker pressure regulator. See? Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to listen to some things that the person said in this video and tell me if you believe or if you do not believe. Look, listen and observe, my people. Observe.
Oh, the pressure cooker tap. Yeah, cow foot we buy full of gravy and man, did I suck off your fish or cow foot bone. And look at the pressure cooker tap. See there? And nothing else, the rice grain in pan there. But we not call restaurant name. Never tell a lie.
No, man.
Nah, that's true.
But people, straight up and down, I'm going to tell us straight for people. I think I joke him, I make. Like, who da really and truly see something like that in them food that they might eat and not realize what that is? Like, for real. You know? Who da really and truly not realize that not supposed to in them food? Yes, no. Yeah, my people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla 10.